So morning, afternoon, evening, guys. 100 index. Your internet connection is unstable. So I'm going to try and analyze it with you. So as you know, normally I use H4 or 4 hours to analyze the market, bigger time frames like daily. So this is our daily time frame. What is it that we have here? Let me check. I think we have a trend line, something like this. Yeah, a trend line. We do have a trend line. Okay. Let's forget about this trend line. Let's go back to H4. So this is what is going to happen. If you zoom here and check here, we have a bearish order block. This for hour. Again here we have a bearish order block. I had to pause this recording because I was receiving a call. So again, yeah, it's a bullish order block. Let's use this one, bullish order block. Bullish order block. Coming down here, this one, bullish order block. Bullish order block. Bearish order block. The bango. This cause are disturbing me. So here again we had a bearish OB. So let me cover. I hope you're going to understand that we have two other blocks here. The other one is highlighted by this black one here. So here we had an ascending trend line, or you can call it a channel. Yeah, you can call it a channel. So this trend line was broken to the downside, and then they tested this other block here, and then now they went back up. By the time they were going up, let's look at the time they violated this trend line, they came down to this other block. This other block was tested, and then they went back up to test this other block, and then this other block was violated to test this other block here, you can see. And then after they did that, they went back up here, and then they started trading within these two other blocks here. And then after this one, it was violated. They went back up to this one, and then they tested it. So after they came back down here to test this other block here, which one? This one. Even though they didn't touch it straight, but they were coming to this other block here. So our anticipation now is that the market will do this. Let me delete some of these things because it's too much. Let me delete these things. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I can be left with this one. It's fine. So now my anticipation is that the market might come up here too. This base candle, and again here you can see we have some sort of a channel. Let me check a channel. Channel, some sort of a channel here. This is how I draw my trend lines. I change to line graph and then start drawing. This is how, yeah. So this is a bearish flag. Reason we say it's a bearish flag. The market went down, and then we have this some sort of a rectangular shape. So this is a bearish flag. So the market can come up here to test this base candle, and then comes down and break this level, and then continues to go down. So how do we trade this? Since this one is a newly formed OB here, we are going to wait for the market to come up here. But I suggest one take an entry when the market hits this level. Yeah, this one is another block. Yeah, you can take an entry here, SL entry, cause possibility of this market turning to the downside is high. And then again here at this what do you call this base candle is going to be our second entry. So meaning we will risk it all when the market reaches this level, and then we do what? We hold to the downside. So this is a what do we call that? This is what this a bearish flag pattern. So again here we also have a breaker pattern. The market broke this level. The market broke this level to the upside, taking out stops here, and then after they came back down, and then now they are coming back to test here. So a breaker pattern is something like this, something like this, something like this. This is a breaker pattern. The market will break and then comes back up to test this part here. So when the market comes up to test this part there, and then we do what? We take ourselves and then goes down with the market. I hope you understood this. I hope you understood this. So we have a breaker here, a breaker of which is already tested once, and then a possibility of it being tested for the second time is high because we have this base candle and this other block here. So let's wait and see. So in this case, let's take our setup space, and then they decided to break this level before coming up here. It means we are going to take a sell position here below this other block. After they broke this trend line, we take a sell position here, and then we hold to the downside. But remember, in cases like this, when they break, sometimes they come back up to test. Meaning, if they don't shoot straight to the downside, we are going to have a retrace somewhere around this level, and then that's what we're going to hold. But in this case, since we have this newly formed other block, possibility of it coming to test the other block, it will be high, meaning they won't come back to test the trend line. They might test the other block and then continues to go down. Hope it's loud and clear. So for now, our focus, like we are waiting for it to come back up to on this level and this level. So that's what we're going to take our entry, meaning this whole portion is our sell zone. This is our sell zone. This is our sell zone. Let me fix this. This is our sell zone. This is our sell zone. So if the setup fails, we do what? We wait for to sell here. So this is a breaker pattern. This level was broken to the upside, and then came back down. So now we are looking forward to see the market come and test this party. So let me try to draw it. Let us hope for it was for us. I won't change the color. So the market went up and then they came back down and then they did what? They broke this level here. After breaking that level, they came back down. So what are they doing now? They are testing this level. Another confirmation of the market that it will go down, it's compression. If you can check, the market is compressing, it's compressing, it's going up and down, consolidating within this channel. So you must know, once there's compression like this, the market will go down. So you might see the market shoot to the downside when it reaches this level. I hope it's loud and clear. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. So this is what I see for now. This is volatility index 100. So if you want to hold, our target is going to be here on this other block here. Let's see here, yeah. From here to here. From here to here. This is going to be our target. It's going to be here on this other block. So you must know, here we are waiting to sell. We sell hard, we sell. Make money, a lot of money. So, and then again, if we continue analyzing, here we have a descending trend line. Descending trend line, and then this is daily. This is a daily time frame. You see this thing, they correspond. You see, this is the daily trend line I drawn just now. So if you can check, the market is going to come back up here. So we have a lot of confirmations that the market might go down. First is the breaker pattern, bearish flag, this descending trend line, and then for our we have a basic candle of which is going to be tested, if I'm not mistaken, and then again here we have bullish order block that is going to be tested, and the market is compressing. So we are looking forward to sell this pair. We are looking forward to sell this pair to this level. So we can take our profit somewhere around this level at 1227.50. So